First of all, at the time when you are doing subtraction, what you will do? You will write in the on the upper position. You will write ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place, 10,000. After that, you will write the number that is given 75,492. Then you will write the subtrahend, that is 32,573. Then put the subtraction symbol. After that, do the subtraction. First of all, our first target is to start from the ones place. Okay, in this subtraction you will see we cannot subtract 3 from 2. We can't subtract. Why? Because the 2 is smaller number than 3. So when the upper number is smaller, when the minute number is smaller, we can't subtract from the subtrahend. So what we'll do? We will borrow 110 from tens column. So what we'll do? We will borrow 1 place from tens column. So tens column, after taking 110 from tens column, it will become 12. So now we can subtract from 12 to 3. So subtraction from 12 to 3 is 9. Then after taking ones, it will become 8. So 8 minus 7 we can subtract, because 8 is a greater number whereas 7 is a smaller number. I have already told you, if minute is greater and subtrahend is smaller, then it is possible to subtract. So 8 minus 7 became 1. Then 4 minus 5, this is not possible because 4 is a lesser number than 5. So what we will do? We cannot subtract 5 from 4 in 100 columns. So we borrow 1,000 from thousands column. So it will become 14. So 14 minus 5 became 9. So after taking 1, it will become 4. So now 4 minus 2 became 2. Then 7 minus 3 became 4. So this is your answer. This is your difference. Got it? Now let us do another example. Suppose another example given. Subtract 5,29,257 from 7,97,305. So what we will do? First, let's subtract this from this. So you have to write in the minute position 7,97,305. Then in subtrahend position 5,29,257 minus. So let us subtract. So 5 minus 7, this is not possible. So it will take 110 from tens place. But here in tens place only 0 is there. So 0 means nothing. So we will not give to ones place. So again he will ask for the 100 place. Okay. Then the 100 column or 100 place gives 100 to tens place, and it will become 10. And after having 10, again it will give to ones to 1 place. So it will become 15. Then 15 minus 7 became 8. After giving ones to ones place, it will remain 9. So 9 minus 5 became 4. And in the previous discussion, we have already discussed that this is also taken 1 from the 3. So it will become 2. So 2 minus 2 became 0. Now 7 minus 9. So we know that we can't subtract 9 from 7 because 7 is a smaller number than 9. So what we'll do? Again that 7 will borrow 1/10,000 from 10,000 column. So it will become 17. Now 17 minus 9 became 8. Then 8, here 1 is already taken, so it will become 8. 8 minus 2 became 6. 7 minus 5 became 2. So this is your answer. This is your difference.